Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel and you are watching a very fresh new episode of Day Roundup, and in the Day Roundup sessions, I bring you some of the important news happening around the country. So, without wasting too much time, let's start updating ourselves. So friends, today's first news comes from the Indian stock market, and guess what? The benchmark indices Nifty and Sensex were declining today just because of increasing tension in global markets. As because US has now pressured the oil importing companies to stop buying crude from Iran. Due to this, Sensex fell about 300 points and Nifty closed down below 10,650 levels. So friends, what do you think of this global trade war? Express your views in the comment section below. So friends, moving on, the next news is from top government officials, and now government officials have refused to use the electric car just because electric cars were not sufficient for the journey and they prefer the fuel cars instead of electric cars. As per the reports, electric cars of Tata Motors and Mahindra failed to run even 80 kilometers on a single charge within city limits. What do you think of electric cars? Do you think electric cars will be able to replace the traditional fuel cars? Let me know your views in the comment section below. Moving on, the next update is from RBI, and RBI in its financial stability report says that the gross NPA can increase from 11.6% to 12.2% by the end of this March 2019 if all the economic conditions remains the same. If the economic conditions worsens, then the NPA could rise to 13.3% and it can even rise to 17.28% for the public sector banks. So overall, the conditions of bank and NPAs are very bad in our country, and let's see what government can do to resolve this issue. Moving next, we have got our next update from Indian cricket team captain Virat Kohli, and Virat Kohli in his latest ad campaign for Kumar urges the youth of the country to live a active life. Virat Kohli wants the youth of the country to play active sports rather than playing video games on mobile phones or in PlayStations. What are your fitness goals? Do you work out? Do you play some sport? Let me know in the comment section below. So friends, that was all from me for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then do not forget to share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and especially do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you receive every update of the video being uploaded on this channel. Till then, take care, and yes, do remember to stay sharp and be updated. This is me, your host, Mehul Kumar Patwari, signing off for today. Take care. Goodbye.